Today I'll show you how you can easily remove background from any image. Here I have my image. This is my first image. This is my second image. So we will use online tool to remove background from image. First tool is remove.bg. So open this website and simply drag the image here. Wait for the process to complete and then download your image. See how easily you can remove the background from any image. So we'll try one more time. This time we'll choose this image. Again drag the image here. Wait for the process to be completed and download the image. It's too easy. So I'll show you one more tool. So second tool is photo seizure. Visit this website. And this time the process is also the same. Visit this website and drag the image here. Wait for the process to complete it. And see, the image background has been removed. Download it from here. We'll try one more time. This time we'll try with this image. See, I will prefer to use remove.bg. This tool is completely free. You can choose whatever you want to use, but remove.bg is perfect. Thank you.